Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering on the Element TV and opening settings right away. Use the remote. Settings All Settings Picture. You choose a picture mode as a baseline so changes behave predictably. Standard is a safe neutral. Once done, make sure eco modes and ambient light sensors are off because they override manual brightness. This initial setup prevents automatic shifts and lets you control how the screen reacts when you tweak brightness and backlight values next. You now adjust backlight first to change overall luminance, raise it for a brighter room, lower it for dark rooms. Then tweak brightness, which sets the black level. Small changes of 1 to 3 units make big differences, so proceed slowly. Make sure to check contrast afterwards. If highlights clip, reduce contrast slightly. Finally, set sharpness low to avoid artificial edges. As you work, pause and view mixed scenes so you can see shadow and highlight balance together. You finish by fine-tuning with real content or a test pattern so you check skin tones, numbers, and dark scenes. Save your settings to a custom or user picture mode to preserve them. If the TV won't keep changes, reboot it first. If that fails, perform a factory reset or check for firmware updates and apply via network or USB. If brightness still behaves oddly, rule out a failing backlight or sensor and contact support, or a technician for hardware diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.